Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find feathers in 7 days today. This is especially useful for crafting arrows for your bow, and let's begin. This is going to be really easy to find. Just look at the ground and search for these bird nests. Once you do, go ahead and open them, and here you should find some feathers alongside with some eggs which you can eat. And also you can break these nests to get more of the feathers from them. But make sure you don't get all of the feathers out so that it stays right here and doesn't disappear. So just take one, or just don't take any, just search it and then just break it with a knife or anything. And you can see I've got some feathers, and it is going to also drop some feathers from it. This is the best option to get feathers, all feathers that you can possibly can from the nest. And second option is to find some chickens, just like this one. And to make it easier, make sure you've got some skills that are going to make it easier for you to find the chicken. Once you do, just go ahead and harvest it with a hunting knife or a bow knife. And as you can see, I've got plenty of feathers from them. So this is pretty much all. How to get feathers. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.